Some companies choose to put their starter kits on sale from time to time, hoping that substantially reduced prices will motivate prospective representatives to enroll during a starter kit sale. Unfortunately, starter kit sales do more harm than good. Here's why. 1. Many people who purchase starter kits on sale join for product discounts only. If a company doesn't want people to join just for product discounts, this is a problem. 2. The career productivity of people who purchase starter kits while they're on sale is less than those who pay regular price. 3. The bigger problem of putting starter kits on sale is what happens when the sale is over. Recruiting plummets for 1 or more months. Reps who sponsor may come to believe they should recruit only during starter kit sales. You don't want that. Like the Cars for Clunkers program in 2008, what appears at first to be a good idea is actually a bad one. I don't recommend that starter kits are ever put on sale. Instead of putting your starter kits on sale, add an additional item for free during those months when you would otherwise put your kits on sale. To prevent your reps from depending on starter kit promotions to motivate recruiting, we recommend no more than 2 such starter kit promotions per year.